Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the freezer shelf in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new freezer shelf. This shelf is located inside the freezer, in the middle of it, right under the ice bucket. The main reason to replace the freezer shelf is if it's corroded or is missing. To get it apart, we need to open the freezer door. To remove the freezer shelf, we need to lift up the left side and slide the right side out. All right, let's bring the freezer shelf to the table. I'm going to turn it around here, and so we need to remove this front trim. Most of the time you can just pull it off like that. If you have a problem with it, with taking it off, you can use the flatblade screwdriver and you can pry up those tabs, and then you can move off the trim. This is the old freezer shelf next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So this is our brand spanking new freezer shelf. And I'm going to slide the trim on, lift it up, place it in, and push it on. Now I'm going to install the freezer shelf. I'm going to place the right side on and drop the left side in. And now we can close the freezer door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.